Welcome to my extremely dirty kitchen. Tomorrow's Christmas Eve and I have to clean this up. So I'm going to start by just gathering all of the dishes and taking them to the dishwasher. I've also gone ahead and cleaned out the trash cans and starting to put away appliances that were left on the counter. We have an old pizza box from the night before. There is silly Melissa, and she is emptying the dishwasher for me. I'm also making my husband some breakfast, so that's what I'm doing there in the background. So once that's all complete, I'm starting to really get serious and continue with throwing things away, straightening up. A lot of things were just out of place and needed put back in where they go. This trash can is from upstairs. It needed to be brought down and to get washed out. And now, as you see, the dirty dishes have been loaded, so I'm going to go ahead and get those in there, and now I'm searching for my dishwasher tabs. So I'm washing out this skillet from where I made some enchilada dip. I'm just going to put the leftovers in the refrigerator and then get that skillet washed out. I'm taking my Mrs. Meyer's and the peony scent and washing down the countertops. I have a Meyer's grocery store in my area, and they had a large display with all of the springtime scents. So I went ahead and picked up this one of the multi-purpose spray, the dishwashing liquid, and the hand soap. And I also picked up another set in the lavender, and they both smell amazing. Here I'm just giving my stove a good wipe down. And the rest of the countertops. So my kids eat at this island every day, multiple times a day at these stools. This island gets so sticky and disgusting that it needs to be wiped down very often. And now I'm just cleaning out my sink. So I'm taking my Dyson and I'm going all around the wood floor, getting up all the little crumbs. It was really bad. Here's a little end of video entertainment for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is the after. I still have a few things to put away, but ready for Christmas. Merry Christmas, everyone.